and this is what VIP means at Ocean Beach. We've got the first bed closest to the DJ box, which is over there. Not bad. Oh, we've had about 4 big jugs of strawberry daiquiri. FK will go home, Brain the Stag Man from Ibiza's, the one and only, of course, Ocean Beach. Right here, right now, you know that. Boss! Woo! Don Perignon. All the best things in life, darling. All the best things in life. To you, we wish you love. Now that's service. Yum, yum. Yummy, yummy. Look at that. For those of you that want to know, the Dom Perignon here in Ocean Beach is how much, baby? 800 euros for that bottle. Can't believe it, bad news, right? We're at Ocean Beach, you know we are. We've been here all day, right? Look at that. Look at that, we're on the last little bit. I can't believe it. She's like a fish. She drank the whole lot. Babe, you are so bad. Now, Ocean Beach, thank you. It's been a pleasure. Ibiza, it's been a pleasure. You know that. Woo! You know the score. Get busy on the Stag Man's dance floor. See, Jade is so like me. She couldn't pick one, so she picked all 4 of them. What? How are we going to eat that? We've got to go and have a meal after this.